This tutorial it is going to show you how to create a timeline using Microsoft Word. You can use anyway other applications if you prefer that you can find on the internet, but I am going to explain you how to do it here because it's the application you have in your computers right now. So the way you can do it here is by using Insert option and then select Smart Art. In Smart Art, you will see this window, and on the left side, a list of different styles or different diagrams to create your own. You can create in hierarchy, options, relationships, etc. But I'm going to select process for the one we need, which is a timeline. This is the best option. I'm going to select this style, and as soon as you are here, if this window doesn't appear immediately, you can select this option, text pane, and it is going to appear. You can place it wherever you want, and then you can start writing on this box. So the idea is to write the information, but not too much information, just the ones you need. Only a brief description with, first of all, the date, for example, 2018, and then you describe what you want to say. I'm going to write just an example of history of internet. You don't have to write this. This is only an example. So you write the event shortly here. If you need to add more information, for example, you need to place other boxes in the same diagram, just press intro, and it's going to create more squares like this. But if this space is not enough because you need to write more information, you can also change the properties of your table, of your diagram, and the same you can do it with the page. For example, if I want to change the position and the size of the page, I'm going to remember you that you can go to page layout. In page layout, you will see options to change the style of the Word document. So I'm going to select size. In size, you will see Officio or A4, whatever you want. I'm going to select Officio, and but the space is not on the right or left side. It is in vertical position, so I'm going to change the orientation. Here in orientation, you don't select portrait, but landscape. In this way, you can increase the size of your diagram to create a better timeline. I recommend you to add only 5 or 6 boxes in each line, and then if you want, you can copy, Control-C, and then Control-V to create a new line, a new timeline to complete the information in the other part. For not to add too much information here, otherwise you have to change the size of the text in order to make it possible to put all what you need in the same box. Well, guys, that's all. I hope you have learned a lot from this tutorial. Goodbye. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.